Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebs Okubo and you are so welcome. If this is your first time tuning in on this channel, thank you so very much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back again. Okay, so today we are going to be having a question and answer section. Most of the questions that I'm going to be answering today comes from our Facebook group on Facebook, House of Real Organic Skincare. If you are a member of this group, you are welcome to this channel. And if not, kindly click the link just above. Go check out the group, find out if that's the group for you, then join. We're going to be having a question and answer session, and I know that there's a lot of questions that you might be having that you want to ask. Please you can leave all your questions in the comment section and I will definitely answer. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the topic for today. Okay, so the first question I have today is, what can I add to Pyrrhic Egyptian Magic Whitening Gold, okay, to prevent stretch marks? This particular lotion and different kinds of reviews, but the only thing I'm going to say is this lotion is a very good lotion. However, it is very strong and it is not good for people with sensitive skin, okay? So if you know you have sensitive skin, I would suggest you go in with a little bit of almond oil and your Shenic Perfect Legs to prevent green veins. Okay, you can add Shenic Perfect Legs to this particular lotion, okay, to prevent green veins. Hawaiian soap to it, yes, that gold one, you can use that particular one alongside the lotion. It's very good. Okay. The next question I have here is from Bola. I'm dark skinned, but my face is even darker. What can I use? Presently I am using my glow soap and my shea butter. Okay, so what I will say is, if you are using your body soap for your face, it's not good. Okay, so you need to stop that. There are soaps that are meant for face. Okay, there are soaps that are meant for face and there are soaps that are meant for the body. Okay, so if your soap is meant for your body, please stick to using it on your body alone. Do not go using it on your face. Okay, I would advise you to get a face soap that's available to you. You can get a face soap or you can get jam soap. Okay, those are the soaps you can use for your face. Use a face soap. Do not go using your body soap for your face. Okay, so that's that for this question. The next question I have is, what can I use for dark armpits? It's very embarrassing when I go swimming. In my next video I will be making a coffee scrub that you can use for either dark armpits or dark thighs. Yes, that particular scrub is superb for this kind of issues. Okay, but you can make any coffee scrub of your choice. Coffee scrub recipe, you can go in with that. Okay, it's gonna do well. Okay, so the next one I have here, next question very quickly, is how can I make bust femin oil? Okay, wow. All right, you can make do with fenugreek seed, you can make do with fennel seed, you can make do with acne seed. Okay, you can make do with olive oil or cod liver oil. This particular recipe I will be dropping right now is very good. It's natural, doesn't have any side effects. Okay, you can use it, just make sure that you use it consistently. Okay, the first thing you're going to be adding is fenugreek seed. You're going to take 20 grams of fenugreek seed, you're going to take 20 grams of acne seed, as well as 20 grams of fennel seed. Okay, grind everything together and add a 40 ml of either cod liver oil or olive oil. Okay, will work best. Okay, so you soak that in for a while, then you start applying. Make sure you apply it with the motion going upward and not downward. Okay, and as well you have to use it for, you're going to be using it every day. Okay, use it every day or every night before you go to bed, and you will see a very good results after some weeks. Okay, the next question I have here is, Please, is it safe to add anti-pimples balls to my face soap? Of course, yes. That's why it's called anti-pimples balls. So definitely, it is very okay for you to add it, but don't go overboard. I think I can still remember there was a time I used it on my face. Yes, I just used that alone, and it worked wonders. Okay, I usually used to have this very dark acne and all that, but using this particular pimples balls worked wonders. Okay, so you can actually use that, and then you can use that alone if you like. You can add it to your face soap if you want, and as well you can add miracle powder. Okay, a pinch of miracle powder, and you are good to go. Okay, so the next question I have is, apart from scrubbing, what can I use to soften my skin? um when you say apart from scrubbing, I just want to state that scrubbing isn't optional. Okay, you really need to scrub your skin if you want to achieve the look that you are looking for. Scrubbing your skin actually removes dead skin cells from your skin, allowing products to penetrate well into your skin. Okay, so you actually need to scrub at least once a week or twice a week to get a very effective result. Okay, and for your question, your main question, to soften your skin, what can you use? Okay, you can actually use chamomile. Chamomile is a very good ingredient for softening the skin. You can use chamomile, you can use calendula. Those two items are very, very good that you can use. Okay, so that is that for that question. Okay, so the next question is, what can I use to remove white patches from my legs? A lot of questions on that particular issue. Okay, but I just want to quickly address that there are three things I know that can work for you. The first one is, make sure you are exfoliating all the time, regularly. Okay, make sure you exfoliate regularly. That exfoliation will help to open up your pores. Next thing you will go in is, you can either go in with coconut oil or shea butter. All right, so either of those two. Okay, whichever one works best for you. The next thing you can do is using miracle powder. You know, I've spoken a lot about miracle powder. Miracle powder is just the best. Okay, you cannot do any. I can't really formulate without adding miracle powder. Miracle powder is just very good for clearing stuff like this. You can add miracle powder into your cream, mix very well. Make sure that it's just a pinch, not too much, because miracle powder tends to change the color of your product. Okay, if you don't want that, you just need to go with a pinch of miracle powder. Okay, and it's going to work wonders on your skin. Okay, so so the next question I have for you here is, how good is Yori black soap? Okay, Yori black soap, I have not used it. Okay, so I cannot really give you a detailed review on this particular soap, but there have been a lot of reviews on it. A lot of people have actually used it. They have talked about it. The reviews are superb, so I believe that it's a very good soap you can use. You can try it out and then let me know how it turned out. Okay, so the next question is, how can I activate Cottage Fresh? Okay, like I said before in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, please click on the link just on the description box and it will take you to that video. I talked about how you can actually activate it to a super lightening black soap. It is on its own, it is a toning soap, a very good soap that you can use. If you want to make it a super lightening soap, you can as well premix it with the recipe I had laid down there in that video. Okay, so the next question is, how can I clear sunburn and dark spots with home items I have in my kitchen? Well, that's a very easy one. I say that because I have actually used this particular home remedy. Okay, just go in with fresh aloe vera, use a little bit of turmeric, and as well add your miracle powder. Okay, so if you add those things together, mix them very well, apply them on your face daily. You can do morning and night before you go to bed. Make sure you wash off before going to bed. Okay, and also make sure you wash off before going anywhere. So that's that for that particular question. Okay, the next question is, I have dry skin, what can I use? Okay, I have done a video on that, on different skin types, how to know your different skin types and the oils that can go well with those skin types. You can check out that video, okay, and check out the oils that are best for your skin. Dry skin is just the lack of the production of sebum in your skin, okay. So what you can do is either use oils or you use moisturizers, okay, moisturizing agents, okay. So just check out my video on that, and then you can use moisturizers that are meant for dry skin. Why I said use moisturizers that are meant for dry skin, because you know there are a lot of people posting different things, and then when you check them out you say, oh, this is really nice, okay, I'll try it. But the truth is that most of those products are not really meant for your skin, so you need to be very careful when you are choosing your product. Make sure that those products that you pick are meant for your skin type, all right, before purchasing. Okay, so the next question is, how can I clear stretch mark? What can I add to my product to clear stretch marks? There are quite a lot of things, treatment stuffs that you can add, anti stretch mark stuffs you can add into your product. The first thing that I have on my list here is stretch mark firming water. This particular product is very good when you are promixing or when you are producing your black soap or whatever it is you are making, okay. Even in your lotion you can actually add it. It's very good when making your soaps. You can add it into your soap, okay. So the next thing you can add is your vitamin E oil. Very good oil that you can add. You can as well add tissue oil, okay. These oils are very good for preventing stretch marks or treating stretch marks, okay. So they are very good, all right. So this topic was educative. Kindly hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. Put on your notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. It is absolutely free, okay. You can leave your comments in the comment section. I will definitely be reading them and answering to your questions. You can as well call me, chat me up on my WhatsApp. I will definitely reply you, okay. So thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.